Well, the way I see it is Commodore people don't have a big opinion, so they don't talk about themselves a lot. But Falcon people do because they're trying to justify it. I'm not trying to justify anything. I think the LS3s are pretty good, but
that is sick. I love that.
Holden Commodore versus Ford Falcon head to head.
Oh, slut.
Edges it out. The Barra i6 is legendary for taxis and police, hitting 400,000 easily. Yeah, try and do that in an alloy crap. They compare it to the they compare it to the V8, so at least the Holden's got a chance. Reliability.
Hang on, maintenance is cheap.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
What are you talking about?
Oh, it says I'd lean towards the Falcon.
What? Where?
Yeah.
It depends on priorities for your client. That says for your client, not for me. For your client, I'd lean towards for reliability, economy, and a daily driver. Yeah, but does a daily driver includes a few sets of tires?
Hang on, the Commodore for raw performance thrills.
And thrills. Oh, hello.
Yeah, but they're talking about comparing an LS3 to a Barra.
Well, hey, you want to try and make 1,000 horsepower in each? That's saying
sick.
You can't make 1,000.
Winner, Falcon.
Falcon. Shite. Tie with a value. Commodore.
Performance.
Falcon. So Commodore gets 1 out of 5 categories.
Yeah, the main one.
Performance.
3 in a tie. That's sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, but hang on, Commodore gets performance.
Yeah.
That wins.
Yeah, but losers, tie, losers.
Yeah, no, it's Ford, mate. It's Ford.
Verdict. If reliability, economy, and resale are priorities, go Ford Falcon. FG. The Barra engine is a workhorse. Fuel bills stay low. Oh, really? Have you driven one lately?
Mate, I love this.
Have you driven one lately?
There's no wrong choice.
And it'll fetch more when expect trading in. Well, you can't trade in a VE Commodore unless it's got a V8.
That is so good.
Its performance and value. Pick the Holden.
Fun per dollar.
Hey, they say SV6. Mate, It's not worth anything.
Oh.
Inspect the service history. Oh, don't forget
budget to 1,000 to 2,000.
Don't forget the receipts for initial fixes, unless it's an AU.
$4,000 or whatever it was.
$3,000 for an AU. $4,000 for a roadworthy.
Hang on, what is it? So for initial, okay, to test drive both, Falcon feels.
Wait.
Commodore more agile.
For Utes to try your earlier
XR6
Falcon chats, the XR6 Ute edges the torque.
Yeah, buddy.
Built for speed.
Oh, duh.
But hang on, the XR6 has a better gear ratio than every Falcon. Than every Commodore, because they're 345.
They also produce more torque.
But it's a torque. It's a torque multiplier, but not just having a short stroke, big bore engine.
Factory to factory, they produce more torque.
They do.
Even without the differential.
I know. So it's like a multiplier on a multiplier. This rivalry as Aussies as a Barbie. Both legends, no wrong choice. What's the client's budget or must-haves? A V8 Ute? Yeah, but he bought a V8 Ute, and he bought a V8.
Oh, he's selling
the Toyota Hilux.
Get a Hilux. Oh, that's what everyone.
Chev.
Hey, if you want to work, you get a Hilux.
Oh.
Well, at least it's not saying go buy a Ranger.
What about a Hi-Ace? Oh, dude, I love that. Oh, dude, depreciates faster. Low KS.
What depreciates?
They're saying Commodores depreciate faster.
If it's a V6, it's not worth anything.
But it's comparing a Barra to an LS3.
Probably.
That's a bit.
Well.
No, because most of that it was saying the V6s, not.
It's comparing the V8. It's not even putting Ford's V8 in there because they're so.
That's because they're comparing the good models. Because the Ford V8s are not worth mentioning, but the Holden V6s are not worth mentioning.
I love that. It's comparing the V8 to a natural.
Hey, yeah, But if you go to compare what's good about a Falcon, what's good about a Falcon is a Barra, not an XR8. And what's good about a Commodore is a V8, not a piece of. Well, that's interesting because all the GM guys always say LS2 is better than LS3.
Oh, the reliability.
Hey, Grok says the ZF6 auto is how you going? Real world test show highway on E10, mate. No.
Great way to wear out your motor faster. Or have it
And-
built faster.
And the Commodore,
Hey, you got your answer.
the Commodore on with active fuel management or DOD gets like less than 7.
Yeah, but Falcons get 6.
Do they?
And you still got to push them home.
Hey.
That's why the Nike shop's
Hang on.
Mate, print this out.
That's why the Nike shop is next to the Ford dealership.
What do you think there's two
So you
seats
get a
built
nice
into
pair
the
of shoes
tailgate?
to walk home.
Mate,
Why do you think there's a seat built
hey,
in the tailgate
Carly,
while you're waiting for the
there's
tow truck?
facts. There's the facts. There's the facts. I love it as it says buy a
Shite.
Hilux.
Buy a Hilux. That is